In early 2024, Sam Altman told Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian that his group chat with other tech CEOs had a betting pool running. They were betting on the year the first one-person billion-dollar company would appear. Altman said it would happen. He said AI would make it possible. He said it was unimaginable without AI. In September 2024, 5 months later, a 41-year-old named Matthew Gallagher started building one. From his house in Los Angeles with $20,000, no employees, no investors. In its first full year, the company did $401 million in sales. This year it is on track for $1.8 billion. There are two employees, Matthew and his brother. Today, how he did it, the tools, the decisions, the things that went wrong, and what it means for the rest of us. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha. Let us get into it. Matthew Gallagher is not a Silicon Valley founder. He did not come from money. He taught himself to code. His previous company was called WatchGang. Watch subscription boxes and its peak. Watch subscription boxes at its peak. 60 employees. It never turned a profit. That experience shaped everything about MedVi. More people meant higher costs and slower decisions. He had lived it. He did not want to do it again. When AI tools became powerful enough to use professionally, Gallagher saw a different way to build. Not hire a team, assemble a toolset. The company is called MedVi. It sells GLP-1 weight loss drugs online. Same category as Ozempic and Wegovy. The fastest growing pharmaceutical category in the world right now. Gallagher did not try to build a pharmacy or manufacture drugs. He outsourced all of that. Doctors, prescriptions, pharmacy fulfillment, and shipping, all handled by two existing companies. What he kept control of? The website, the marketing, the customer relation, the brand. And for all of that, he used AI. The actual stack. ChatGPT, Claude, and Grok to write the code and build the AI agents that connected his systems. Midjourney and Runway to generate every image and video for his ads and website. ElevenLabs to create an AI voice clone of himself for customer calls. AI analytic tools to track business performance in real time. AI customer service to handle incoming queries at scale. The result, 0 to 100 million in revenue in 6 months. 300 to 250,000 customers in 14 months. Net profit margin of 16.2%. Hims and hers direct competitor. 2,442 employees, 5.5% margin. Gallagher is running 3 times the margin with 2 people. Now for the part most videos about the story leave out, because this story is not completely clean. The chatbot fabricated drug prices that did not exist. It hallucinated product lines the company did not actually sell. Gallagher honored every fabricated price, absorbed the cost himself. When you are the only human backstop for an AI system running at scale, every mistake at any hour, at any volume, lands on you. In February 2026, 6 weeks before the New York Times profile, the FDA issued a formal warning letter for misbranding. Terms like trusted by experts and doctor approved flagged as misleading. Business Insider found over 5,000 active Facebook ads, many running under AI-generated fake doctor accounts. A class action lawsuit was filed in California in March 2026. These are real issues, not minor footnotes. Moving fast without a compliance team made them more likely. So what do we actually take from this? Lesson 1. AI is now a genuine substitute for headcount in certain kinds of businesses. Medvi works because the expensive regulated parts were outsourced. What AI replaced was the customer-facing layer. Marketing, content, code, customer service. That model: rent the infrastructure, own the customer, use AI for the rest. It's going to produce dozens of companies like Medvi. Lesson 2. The AI stack is not magic. It is specific tools for specific jobs. Gallagher used a dozen tools, each doing one job it is actually good at. The skill was knowing which tool for which job and how to connect them. Lesson number 3. Moving fast without safeguards creates real risk. FDA warning, fake doctor ads, chatbot hallucinations, all costs of running at maximum speed with minimum oversight. In a regulated industry, those costs come with legal consequences. Lesson number 4, this one is personal. Gallagher said he is thinking about hiring more people, not because the business needs it, mostly because he is lonely. He built a machine that works and then realized the machine runs without him. Maximum efficiency, maximum isolation. That is a trade-off worth knowing before you optimize for it. Sam Altman said in 2024 that AI would make the one-person billion-dollar company possible. He bet it would happen. Matthew Gallagher did it in 9 months with $20,000 from his house. The tools were ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Midjourney, Runway, and ElevenLabs. The insight was not which tools to use, it was understanding which parts of a business AI can run and which parts still need a human. What part of your work would you replace with AI first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single comment. Subscribe for more plain English AI every single day. See you in the next one.